In the previous episode, we learned the very basics of custom keyboard mapping in Virtual DJ, which left us hoping for episode 2. And that's why I'm here today to make it just happen. It is DJ Zako here as always, and I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers for your support. For those who are new to the channel, you are welcome, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for future videos. Without wasting much time, let's get right in. Now, before we get further with this topic, we want to make sure that you get a strong foundation of custom keyboard mapping in Virtual DJ by understanding this area. All these darker boxes you see here play their own role. This one right here contains the list of all the mappers you have in your Virtual DJ, where you will be able to access them by clicking on this drop down arrow. Some of them come with the Virtual DJ and your custom ones. Then this one is for selecting a key on the keyboard. Coming to this big one is the one for writing a script for an action that the key will perform. And this box shows the category where those actions which are assigned to the keys on a keyboard will be applied to. Then this one suggests the script for an action as you are typing in the action box or when you click on the category in the category box. And then this area shows the description of the highlighted or selected script in the script suggestion box. And this pin here allows us to map an action to the keys on a keyboard from the Virtual DJ's main interface without writing any script for an action. We have already covered how to use this pin in episode 1. There is a link in the description. You can check out that video if you haven't watched yet. This box shows all the mapped keys on a keyboard and actions assigned to them. And then the search bar allows you to search for an action and see which key on a keyboard is mapped to. But our main focus throughout this course is going to be in these two areas: the script suggestion box and the description area. The script suggestion box will be handy for us to quickly pick the scripts for an action that we want the key to perform, while the description area will give us an idea how that action will work, and it will guide us on how to write it correctly. Additional, on a keyboard you should take note of FN key, Windows key, and the numlock key if you have a keyboard with a numpad. They are not convenient to use. When you understand all this information, our custom keyboard mapping journey in Virtual DJ is going to be much easier than you have ever imagined to be. In the next episode, we are going to start actual scripting. If there is anything you didn't understand from the part we have covered, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends whom you think it might help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.